Let's discuss about polymorphism in this particular video. So here you can see the list of different types of products, the electronics as well as the mobile. So if I just go ahead here and click on this apply discounts button, it's basically going to apply the discounts for specific type of product here. For electronics, the 10% discount is applied, and for the mobile type it applied 15% discount. That means the apply discount which is defined in this product blueprint, this has been differently implemented in electronics as well as in mobile. That's the reason you can see different discounts applied for this particular types of products. Let's do that in action in the code. So I'll just go here and I'll just go to the cart and I will simply add one method, public void apply discounts. So when we click that button, apply discounts, it's going to loop through all the products in the cart and then it's going to apply the discount. Okay. So here, let's say we have two different types of products, and in the list we have four different types of products, but two different types of products that we do have, but four different products. Okay. So if I just go here, first two electronic products will come. It will call the apply discount of the electronics class and it will apply 10% discount. The next time the mobile products will come, it will go to the mobile apply discount and it will apply 15% discount over here for the mobile type of products, right? Now, if I just go and use cart dot apply discounts and show the cart again after the discounts are applied. So let me have once this out. Before discounts, before discount, and after discounts are applied. I can go and run this. So here, if you can see, before discount, I see the total price as 1,66,500, and after discounts are applied for each and every type of the product, we can see the total price is 1,44,000. Okay, 700, 1,44,700. The same we can see it in the UI as well. Okay, so here we can see the discounts are getting applied for each and every type of the product. That means here, if you can see the product blueprint, we have the method of the apply discount declared or defined over here, but the implementation is taken care by the electronics as well as the mobile in a different way. That means the same apply discount functionality is getting called from the cart for different products, and this method is behaving in a different way for each and every type of the product. That is something called polymorphism. A method is going to behave in a different way based upon the object received. And the last thing that I just wanted to highlight, so here if you can see, we have created like this the object creation. So we have created new electronics and then we are going to store that in the product. Now, when the compiler sees this particular code, it doesn't understand which object will be stored in this electronics 1 or electronics 2 or mobile 1 or mobile 2, because product itself is abstract class. The compiler doesn't know whether we are going to create the electronics product or the mobile product to get it stored in the electronics one during the compilation time itself. The compiler doesn't know. But when we keep electronics here, the compiler knows that it's going to have the object created for electronics itself. But if I just do it like this, the compiler knows that this product is abstract class and it doesn't know which object gets stored in this particular variable, whether it's electronics or mobile, because during the compilation time, it doesn't know because product itself is an abstract class, right? So when the objects get created, the objects gets created during the runtime, right? So that's the reason the compiler doesn't know if we keep something called product over here on the left side, but if you are going to create electronics like this, the compiler knows during the compilation time itself which objects are going to be created at runtime. Because electronics is purely a concrete class, right? So compiler will not get confused. But if you keep product here, the compiler doesn't know which object is getting stored in this electronics one reference variable, right? So that's the concept of polymorphism. And we have the different types of polymorphism like compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism in the sense, if you just define this electronics, the compiler knows which object is getting stored in this reference variable during the compilation time itself. But if you are going to define like this becomes the runtime polymorphism because the compiler sees that this type is product is abstract, and the objects always gets created during runtime. And since it doesn't know which objects are going to be created at runtime during the compilation time itself, so it has a dilemma and it cannot decide which object will be stored here, right? So that's the purpose, and that's the difference between the compile time polymorphism and the runtime polymorphism. Thank you.